nakimi yenzeka. Umahluko ukuthi mina ngiyibizi ngobufakazi. Uyabona iyazenzakalela nje. Izinto nina eniyibiza ngokuthi ziyi-proof yokuphila yoku-exista kaNkulunkulu ziyenzeka kuthina lezo zinto lezo ezinhle nezimbi. Uyabona? So ikhona lakho cannot become a standard if you want to prove something, because it is undoubtable to us who are not locked into the same corner where you are. You see, it is undoubtable to you in your corner, but it is undoubtable only to you. Kumina nje engenajesu engamfuni futhi uJesu wakhona, leyo nto yakho ngiyayiquestion. So that cannot be called undoubtable evidence. Ngiyayidoubt mina ngoba into engekho leyo. Thank you.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa Max Makhanje. Umbuzo wami ke uwodwa nje, uma ukhuluma ngento okuthiwa i-evidence usukulindele into enjani? Mhlambe nje uma ungakusicacisele lapho ukuthi wena makuthiwa kukhulunywa ngento eyi-evidence yinto enjani kuwe equalifya as i-evidence of whether into ya exista or ay exist ike yaba khona or ayikazi ibe khona, yini oyibiza nge-evidence yaleyo nto leyo?
I-evidence ngithi undoubtable. Yabona nje lapha i-answer yakho leyo. I-evidence mangikhuluma nge-evidence ngikhuluma ngento e-undoubtable.
Hayi udlala umacashelana emakhaya. Uyabona nje mina mangizokutshela mfowethu, ayikho into ongaba undoubtable ngayo la emhlabeni, to tell you the truth. Ayikho into ongathi wena awuyidoubt. Even the existence of uShaka awukazi umbona, akwazi uphile naye, sikubeka eceleni ukuthi khona bathi bangabakubo noma kanjani.
Hayi ima ngikuprovela ungangenzeli ibonelo engekho mina. Ima ngikuprovela ukuthi there are many things that are undoubtable la emhlabeni. Uyabona nje manje ukuthi ngikhuluma efonini ku live kaMabhikisha, that is undoubtable. Ukuthi ngikuyipanel, yes, I prove it. Yes, now nje ngikhuluma nawe. It's a proof.
You think that's proof?
No.
Banguthi proof.
Baba,
musukudlala ngami. Ukuthi you're not dreaming njengamanje.
Baba, musukudlala ngami.
In real time.
Azizona ingane Nkosi, azizona ingane mfowethu, azizona ingane.
Lento wena oyibiza nge-evidence, u-expect into enjani as i-evidence? Yes.
Nakho babungcobo ngicela ukusibuyisela emuva kancane, mhlambe angikhosho ukuthi ubusungenile. Ubethe ubabu Makhanya uma yethi i-evidence earlier wasethi i-evidence yinto e-undoubtable, e-tangible, ethintekayo yingakho ethema ingena uBhuthizo wasequota ilona lela verse laka Jacob embamba emiyeka ubusuku bonke, yabona. So ubeke washo ukuthi kuyinto e-tangible.
Oh, okay. Now into eyinkinga ke la yikho ngithe mina ekuqaleni bekufanele sibuze umbuzo
ukuthi wenkosi lalela wenkosi lalela Khabyanga
ngilinda phela emakhaya uNkulunkulu. Now you cannot akwazi ukufuna a tangible evidence ngento that is not tangible itself. That would be stupidity ukuthi wena ufuna a tangible evidence ngento which is not tangible, like
Ngiyakuvala Nkosi, because ngiyabona usuphakanyelwa.
For you to say i-opinion yomunye umuntu it's stupidity, we don't tolerate that type of energy here. So cela nje wehlisa umoya baba. Ngizocela ukuthi ngiye yes, ngizocela ukuthi ngiye kuVuli ngoba ngiyabona usuphakanyelwa ushukela. Ngathi bephakamisa isandla uVuli, mhlawumbe ufuna uku-engage kuyo le conversation. Vuli, ngicela uvule mic.
Mna eyona nto bengizama ukuyiveza into enokubana apha kuNkosi andifuni le nto siyi-personalize. Why ngisitsho kanjalo? ngoba it's not that lo nkulunkulu uGod ubelonga kwi-Christians. No, it's not that. This nkulunkulu esithetha ngaye ngunkulunkulu oklenywa ngumuntu wonke, ingaba sisathi ngaba kwa-Allah, all those don religion. So it's not that ngowe-Christians. No, i-Christianity, it's under Jesus. So i-Christianity ikhonza uNkulunkulu under the name, under the name of Jesus. Now lento seyikuphakamisela ngomoya, wena uthatha lo nkulunkulu kuthethwa ngaye umsa kwi-Christianity. Christianity leyo ngokweBhayibhile, New Testament. I-New Testament akho nomunye umuntu othi ndikhe ndambona uNkulunkulu. Eyona ngxenye yeBhayibhile esebenza ngeChristianity, because not yonke iBhayibhile isebenza ngeChristianity. The Old Testament ayisebenzi ngeChristianity. Yona le kuthethwa ngayo abantu bamane besithi sikhe sambona uNkulunkulu ingengo Jesus. I-Christianity is under Jesus. Ukhonza uNkulunkulu in the name of Jesus. So if ever bekuthethwa ngoJesus ke bendizova xa umclaima ke, kodwa ngoku awukwazi uphakanyelwe ngamaphaphu uclaima into lokubana uNkulunkulu ekuthethwa ngaye uNkulunkulu weChristianity kuba kuthethwa ngaye eBhayibhileni. Bhayibhile lena ye-New Testament ethetha ngeChristianity evela sele ikhona iBhayibhile ethetha ngoNkulunkulu, because wonke umuntu uclaima into nokubana uyi-Christianity akayo Christianity, kodwa uclaima into nokubana uNkulunkulu ngumdali wezinto zonke. Yiyo ke lento sizama ukuyiprove ngaba is true noNkulunkulu ukhonana yini, or wayekhe wakhonana. Why wayebonwa ngoko kodwa ngoku engasamboni? Wayaphi? Wasweleka? Because even nakwe-generation through generation khona befama uthi hey ndikhe ndamdiscover ke, but akho nomnye. You can go kwi-Christianity izokuxelela i-Christianity uba ndifikelwe ngumoya oyingcwele. You can go kuthi abantu bokuhlala i-community le, like ke le nithi nina umzekelo ukukholelwa kwizinyanya, athi umuntu ndiphuphe ubawo omkhulu esithi, you see, you can go ko-Allah bazokuxelela niyabo ngeyabo indlela nabo babona ngabe izinto uba u-Allah wazi what, but under umdali. So ngumdali lo simphandayo, asiphanda iKristu, so suyithatha uyenze yakho ngoba iza kwenza lo sithi ngowethu sonke. Itsho ke neBhayibhile, andithi nayo la Christianity ifika ithi uyakhonza awukhonzi uThixo ngowabantu bonke. Andithi ayithi iBhayibhile nditsho la iTestament intsha le kaKristu ayithi uThixo wethu thina amaKristu. No, ithi uThixo wakhe wonke umuntu, but it's just that thina amaKristu siyamkhonza. Yabona ngale ndlela bamkhonza ngayo kamaKristu, uyayibona nditshoyo. But it doesn't mean into nokubana yena abanye abantu abamkhonzi, because the God himself asimuva yena uThixo lo sithetha ngaye esithi ndifuna ukukhonzwa kanje. No, siva abantu abathi uThixo makakhonzwe kanje uzukwazi ukufikelela kuye. Elingathi mna isuggestion yabo bona abo bantu. So mandiyibambe.
Pluto, angazi noma usasekhona yini ukuthi usukhona usu-ready na?
Angikhona bengisalalele bengithi inkulumo isaqhubeka anginibingelele selishonile ilanga at least la ngikhona selishonile
Yebo bhuti.
How did people in the past discover ukuthi uNkulunkulu exists, and today we struggle to find ubukhona bakhe. Kudala ikhulunywa le ndaba asifika indawo, but into engiyibonayo esikhuluma ngayo la, we are not talking ngoNkulunkulu who may or may not created the universe. Sikhuluma ngesingakubiza maybe ke at least ngokwami ukuthi i-local God. Sikhuluma about just iplanet yethu le esihlala kuyo, esiphuma kuyo, esikuyo. Ngokolwazi lwami, obviously I could be wrong. Ama scriptures lawa ezenkolo, they don't address imvelaphi ye-universe. It only addresses planet Earth and the heaven, quote unquote. So ingakho ngithi bakukhulunywa nge-local God. I think maybe ku ezincwadini esike sazifunda noma ama philosophies and ideas esike saba nawo addressa into nje ezihlangene nemvelaphi ye-universe. The only ones that I'm aware of Buddhism, it's sort of come a little bit closer, and then Maufunda that the other one in Upanishads, but nakhona it does fall short. So masikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu o lesikhuluma ngaye la nalayo esibangisana ngayo sidonsisana ngayo la weBhayibheli, that one I think angeke sikhohlisane nje, it does iyasho ukuthi si kukhulunywa ngomhlaba lo esikuwo, and then ikhulume ngezulu ke esingazi ukuthi likuphi. So angeke sikhomente kakhulu ezulwini ukuthi likhona noma likho, but I'll address ukuthi likuphi. But I think mainly asikhulumi nangoNkulunkulu, into esikhuluma ngayo is just human ego, or at least ingqondo nje zomuntu, ngoba abantu le kuze sifike sesiba noNkulunkulu ngoba nabo baningi, into iphume ekutheni singobani, senzani la, umhlaba uyini, sifunani la, sithini. Baqala lapho, then ke bazibuza, baziphendula ngolwazi ababe nalo nange i-evidence abebe nayo be-addressa ke umbuzo nje ukuthi kusho ukuthini ukuphila, kusho ukuthini ukuthi sila sifike kanjani singobani, then bazakhela ke onkulunkulu ngokwahlukahlukana kwabo. But then you fast forward ukuthi le uNkulunkulu lo ose okuyena opopular ke njengamanje we-Abrahamic religion namanye ke ama-religion akhona ukuyemuva nokuya phambili, there seems to be dancing around the same concept. uNkulunkulu okuyena odale umuntu. Esikhathini esiningi uyabona ukuthi ifocus ayikho ngisho ukuthi umhlaba ke impilo le enye khona emhlabeni akekho okhuluma ngayo abayi-address, they only focusing empilweni yomuntu. Ingakho ngithi we are talking about a human ego and a human cognition esikhathini esiningi. So yonke lento ibuyela emuva ekutheni masithola ama mythologies lawa aleko Babylon, Sumeria, Mesopotamia and so forth. And lezo zinto zibuyela kule idea ye abayibiza ngokuthi whatever ancient astronaut or Anunnakis kwabanye kwathini ukuthi sifike kanjani la, which addresses ukuthi umuntu wakheke kanjani or umuntu ufike kanjani la emhlabeni. Iqale lapho ke indaba, then sesiphikisana ke ngokuthi kwakukhona ubani babe ngako uNkulunkulu kwaye umuphi uNkulunkulu. Ngeke ngizithandeke lezo lawo ma mythologies because anazo izinto ezisifundisa zona, anazo izinto enza sicabangisise or sicabange ngokujulile or sicabange ngendlela ehlukile kunendlela esijwayele ukucabanga ngayo, whether ayiqiniso or angamanga. But ke sizoyibamba lapho nje ukuthi ama mythology because ayikho, there's nothing proving. So masidonsisana la ngoNkulunkulu sikhuluma especially masesikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu weBible. I think masibukisisa kahle lapha ku Genesis. Masibukisisa lapha ku Genesis kukhulunywa ngokudalwa komhlaba nokudalwa komuntu.